Hi guys, it's me from the me. Yeah. Today, me will be doing another Nerf gun video. And I will be showing you 3 types of guns. One's not Nerf, just a tichy one. And yeah, so better get on to the tichy ones first. Yeah, I picked one Z Strike one and one elite one. Yeah! You may have heard, what's this called? What's that called? Doesn't say. Oh, okay. Don't worry. Yeah, this is the mini one. It's not Nerf. It's actually really cool. Yeah. My thought it's cool. Personally, put the dart in here. Dart shoots these darts, not Nerf darts. Dart in, yeah. You know that it's ready because you won't be able to push it in any further. Go like this. If it doesn't go in any further, then yeah, reload it, and then you go like this until you hear that click. Did you hear it? It's this click. Listen. Did you hear it? It's the second one. Wait a minute. Listen. See that click? There it is. And this is how it fires. Pew! I just locked. Sorry about that. I still have 3 more, don't worry. My Z Strike one, not better than my elite one, is this gun. Z Strike, Z, zombie strike something. It's a crossbow. I don't know what it's called, no idea. Didn't say. Yeah, I just can't remember. No, it says zombie shit. It doesn't say Nerf on it. Yes, it does. Yeah. Alright. It's actually really cool. I've got bullets for this because you know what the dots look like. Let me just get one to show you. This is what the darts look like. It's just a green one. It's an add-on one. Not my fault, it's an add-on one. It's Nerf's fault. The people who made Nerfs and things. Yeah, you probably don't. This gun is actually pretty heavy. This Rhino Fire. See it? What does it say, Rhino Fire? This is Rhino Fire. There. Rhino Fire. Ta-da! It's amazing. Look, it can fit any max. Like from 6 to 18. Sorry if it is the wrong way around for you. Said that in my last video, but it may be, it might not. You'll never know. So it just goes like, yeah. And like, you see that? That arrow points where the bullets go. So the end of the bullets go there. And yeah, so it's gonna fire that way. Then it has to go in like, whoosh. Look, you just push it in like that, and the fire goes on this. It makes down a noise, but batteries out to charge the Mega Mastodon. That's why it's not being used. Simple as that. And yeah, well, to take them out, you don't just pull them out. You press this button there and pull them out. You see, it just went up a little bit. Boop. And then you just take them out. Just a little boop, they go up a bit and take them out. You know what you do? You put that in very lightly, makes a sound, and then you push down hard, and then it goes pew 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 pew, and then all the bullets come. And you usually hold it by this handle